13.3. Put the verb into the correct form. Present perfect or past simple. 1. It stopped raining for a while, but now it is raining again. It stopped. 2. The town where I live is very different now. It has changed a lot. It changed. 3. I studied German at school, but most of it now I forget. 4. The police, 3 people, but later they let them go. Arrest. 5. What do you think of my English? What do you think of my English? Do you think it improved? 6. Are you still reading the paper? No. Wicket, you can have it. I finish. 7. For a job as a tourist guide, but I wasn't successful. I apply. 8. Where is my bike? Outside the house, but it is not there now. It'll be. 9. Quick, we need to call an ambulance. An accident can be. 10. Have you heard about Ben? His arm he break. Really? How that happened? Off a ladder he fall. Unit 14. Present perfect and past. I have done and I did. A. Do not use the present perfect I have done when you talk about the finished time. For example, yesterday. 10 minutes ago, in 2005, when I was a child, use the past tense. It was very cold yesterday, not has been. Paul and Lucy arrived 10 minutes ago, not have arrived. Did you eat a lot of sweets when you were a child? Not have you eaten? I got home late last night. I was very tired and went straight to bed. Use the past to ask when or what time. When did your friends arrive? Not have arrived. What time did you finish work? Compare. Present perfect, past simple. Compare present perfect, past simple. Tom has lost his key. He can't get into the house. Is Carla here or has she left? Past simple. Tom lost his key yesterday. He couldn't get into the house. When did Carla leave? B. Compare present perfect have done. Past simple did. I have done a lot of work today. I did a lot of work yesterday. We use the present perfect for a period of time that continues until now. For example, today, this week, since 2007. Past simple did. I did a lot of work yesterday. We use the past simple for a finished time in the past. For example, yesterday, last week, from 2007 to 2010. It hasn't rained this week. It didn't rain last week. Have you seen Anna this morning? It is still morning. Did you see Anna this morning? It is now afternoon or evening. Have you seen Tim recently? Did you see Tim on Sunday? I don't know where Lisa is. I haven't seen her. I haven't seen her recently. Was Lisa at the party on Sunday? I don't think so. I didn't see her. We have been waiting for an hour. We are still waiting now. We waited or were waiting for an hour. We are no longer waiting. Jack lives in Los Angeles. He has lived there for 7 years. Jack lived in New York for 10 years. Now he lives in Los Angeles. I have never played golf, and in my life I didn't play golf last summer. It's the last day of your holiday, you say. It has been a really good holiday. I have really enjoyed it. After you come back from holiday, you say it was a really good holiday. I really enjoyed it. Exercises 14.1. Are the underlying parts of these sentences right or wrong? Correct them where necessary. I have lost my key. I can't find